Let's see what's here. They are saying chips. I don't know if you can see this thing. I'm trying to bring it closer. Okay, chips takes 18 minutes under 80 degrees. Then stick. These chips I want to do now. They didn't put sausage on, so sausage and chicken, does it mean it's the same thing? Or stick, because sausage is made of meat. So I think 8 minutes. Okay, so let's see. I've already read all this using the preset cooking programs, how to use it, what and what to press. So they're saying cake will bake for 15 minutes, fish 15 minutes, prawns 7 minutes, chicken wings 15 minutes, chicken 28 minutes, steak 8 minutes, chips 18 minutes. So this is the fries my husband bought, and French fries. Guys, I put on another light. It's just that this light used to shake. This particular bulb, the current is very low. The light just used to blink so much. So yeah, I think let's begin. Okay, so it's on, and let me remove the basket. So it's saying out. There's a tray inside. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there's a tray inside with rubber edges. So they asked, according to the instructions, to push it all the way down, and this is where I'm going to pour my fries. Hey guys, this our light is not stable, so since that yesterday, this morning they're bringing the light. Anyway, so I decided to fry meat. I had some meat frozen already in the freezer. Let me try it with meat first. So it's supposed to click. Okay, that's the best menu. So this chicken I been meat I want to do. Frying of the meat. This is how it looks. This is liver, kidney, mostly liver, heart, and kidney, I guess. And then 1 or 2 beefs. It's really fried though. Very fried. Oh. This is looking. You can see. Yeah, I like to cook sausages very well. So as far as I'm concerned, let me shake it. It's not fried enough. All this processed food, I like to do too much. So 6 minutes. Let me increase the timing because I'm gonna put it for 10 more minutes. Let it fry thoroughly. So yeah, that's how it's looking there. Let me show you. Let me put on the light again. Sorry guys. Okay, so that's how it's looking.